Do you want to know the best way to add custom colors and fonts to your website? In the next 3 minutes in this Wix Editor X tutorial, I am going to explain what site themes are, where to find them, and why you should be using them in all of your projects. All this now. Site themes are the preset colors and fonts for your website. As of now, there are 2 theme options under your site themes: typography themes, which are your fonts, and color themes, which are your colors. You can find the site themes in the upper left navigation bar under your theme manager, which is represented by an icon with the letter A and a paint drip. Within that menu, you can toggle between both your typography and color themes. Do you already use site themes in your projects? If you do, let me know. I'd love to know your thoughts about them in the comments. Also, if you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing. When setting up your typography themes, you'll be able to preset the weights, colors, and sizes of your headings and paragraphs, allowing you to bypass this customization each and every time you add a title element or a paragraph element to your page. Similarly, by setting up your color themes in advance, you bypass having to add color to a background element each time. So if you want to update the color of all the buttons on your site, you can go ahead and change the action color out once in your site themes versus having to change out the color for each and every button. Setting up your site themes prior to beginning a project is not mandatory, but it is definitely a best practice. I would recommend that you implement it in your process to speed up your workflow and allow you to focus on other more important matters when building. To see how to add and customize your typography themes, check out my next video where we do just that. To see other Wix tutorials, please be sure to leave a comment below letting me know. If not, let me know what you'd like to see next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos around this topic or other web design tools, concepts, and strategies, then please subscribe and be sure to hit the bell to be notified as soon as they are released. My name is Rich, and thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time.